Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY glam project. This time I'm taking some dollar store ideas and putting them together to make a unicorn flower box. I hope you enjoy. One of our main dollar stores here in Australia is called the Reject Shop, and guys, they have an explosion of unicorn decor at the moment. I love browsing through this store and thinking of wonderful ideas to put together for you. I fell in love with these adorable gift boxes. I loved that they had the gold detail to them. They also carry a vast range of beautiful ribbons, and I knew this gold shimmer-like ribbon would be perfect for my DIY. Guys, I couldn't help but share these adorable unicorn cushions. How cute are they? And they were just $10. I absolutely fell in love with this little turquoise blue one. The Reject Shop also carries such beautiful fake flowers, like these purple and blush pink ones. They were such good quality and just $5 a bunch. So home I came with the items for my little DIY project. I got the large version of this gift box. I loved how it had the gold detail, and it was the perfect shape and height that I was aiming for. The only thing I didn't get from the dollar store, guys, was these eyelash stickers. They're from Kmart Australia, and I paid just $3. Taking those stickers, I added them to the front of my box. This was a little tricky. I wanted to make sure that the eyelashes lined up together. So just play around with it, guys, until you get them directly in the centre. Once it was complete, I then added my floral foam from the dollar store. I had this on hand from previous projects and thought I'd reuse it. I then took my gorgeous bouquets of fake flowers. Now I got 2 bunches of the purple ones as well as 3 bunches of the blush pink. I also picked up 4 bunches of these beautiful lavender. Now they were priced at just $3 a bunch. Starting with my 2 purple bunches, I placed one on either side. At first I just placed them leaning up against the box, as I like to play around with my flowers first before I share with you what I actually put together. So off camera I actually put these back into the floral foam, just like I'm doing here with the pink one. The thing I absolutely love about these beautiful bouquets is how full they are. They made such an impact on such a large round box. Once I had the flowers the way I wanted them, I then added this adorable little unicorn headband. Now I wanted to place it in the centre of my flowers, so I added a little gap and a piece of floral foam to give some height for my little headband to sit on. I then placed the headband over the top of the floral foam. Then taking the lavender, I then took some wire cutters and I cut short little stems so I could add it around the headband. I then placed them into the floral foam. I then continued with my lavender, adding pieces to give that full effect. complete, I then added random lavender, just around where I felt it needed in between the flowers. I then added that pretty gold ribbon and I tied it round the bottom of the box. I cut it to size and tied it in a knot. Also from the dollar store, I had this adorable little hot pink JoJo inspired bow. It has a little clip at the back and I just clipped it in place onto the ribbon. And here is my adorable dollar store unicorn flower box. Guys, I'm so happy with how this one came. Being a glam girl at heart, I wanted my very own unicorn flower box. So putting on my thinking cap and some help from my local reject shop, I was able to take dollar store finds and create the idea that I had visioned. Guys, I don't know what it is about little unicorns. Regardless of how old we are, those little unicorns just melt our heart. And I love that I could create something from dollar store items to give me that unicorn vibe. Guys, this could be such a wonderful DIY project for your next party. It could be the perfect table centerpiece. Maybe your little girl would be having her very own unicorn themed party. This would be the perfect addition for wonderful photo props. I absolutely love to decorate my home in fake flowers, and I was really impressed by the quality of my dollar store finds at the reject shop, as well as these adorable little unicorn headbands. This also would be a wonderful gift idea. It would go beautiful in a beauty room or sitting as a centerpiece on your coffee table. There's so many possibilities with this little DIY. Guys, I absolutely love to stroll through my local dollar stores. I love looking at things that I could possibly make over and create something out of. There's always so many amazing finds, and everything in the reject shop is always at affordable prices. Again, this little DIY project you could create to your own personal taste. You could change the colour of the flowers, you could take away the unicorn headband, add some different ribbon. The possibilities are endless, guys, and they're entirely up to you. I think this would also look so adorable in a little girl's room. Can you imagine a unicorn inspired bedroom? So glam and pretty, which would melt a little girl's heart. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed my DIY dollar store unicorn flower box. I hope I've given you some inspiration to create your very own flower box this weekend. forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm aiming for that 20,000 subscribers, so I'd appreciate you liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel so we can reach that goal, so I can announce a wonderful 20,000 subscriber giveaway. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.